Ma'am and sir, I am Cristina De Leon. I am 31 years old. I came from Quezon, Philippines. I am a high school graduate. I have three kids, two boys and one daughter. I have a partner but we're not married yet. My work experience, I was domestic helper here in the Philippines for 2 years. I served one couple, two children. My duties are to take care of the kids and cleaning the house. Sometimes go to the market. Ma'am, sir, if you hire me, I will do my very best to do my duties. Ma'am, sir, I am a hardworking, patient, honest, and obedient. Thank you, ma'am, and I'm looking forward to work to work with you as soon as possible. God bless.